Hey guys, so we got Craftsman here, and we're gonna be working on the yellow MTD push mower here. That one actually, as nice as it looks, it don't run. Not for a guy. These are all flathead motors. The only two overhead valve motors I got is a Kohler. Hate Kohler right now. And my Craftsman with the 15 horsepower brakes. Probably the smallest engine I got would be this 2 horse, but it's blown. It's 4-stroke. It's 2 horse Springer strutted flathead engine. It's probably the smallest one I got. So yeah, tried starting this thing up today. Just gonna jump it off the track or the Craftsman, but it did not work out. So it's this camera set up here. We're gonna full start it. It's actually this key right here. It was a Jeep copy Jeep key. Actually, is what's used to start this thing up. And before I actually do this, there's a light right here. You see the wire runs down. There's another one that goes on the other side. Runs up there, lets me know my headlights are working. I'm having that issue. Sky out, so I'm gonna start it up. Oh shit. Yeah, I do believe this is either 1990 or 2000. Alright, here we go. There we go, it's fired up, perfect. Yeah, so when you turn the headlight switch on, blue light comes up. I don't know if you can see it. And if that blue light comes on, the headlights come on. So, I'm going to put this back in the tripod here. On the tripod. Like I said, this is used to start it up. So I got the original key to it. Came attached to it, came with, almost got my keys there, this master lock key. But yeah. Set you guys up here on the hood of the old tractor here. Steering wheel somewhere. I can get this stupid thing to stay. God damn it. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna drag the push bar out of the pile. Alright, so we got that on up, but yeah, so we're gonna try starting this thing today. Actually, I gotta find my wire and put back on here. The killer. Let's see, where's my cable at? Just had this cable over here. Let's see, yeah, right here it is. I'm gonna put this cable back on here, and so I'll be back, so let me go ahead and put this cable back on. Alright, so I got this back on here. See, the wire runs down. First, we're gonna check some oil. Make sure it has oil in it. And she's full of oil. So, that's good. Under my can of gas. Make sure I have some gas here. I do. Put you back up on the tractor. You guys up on the tractor? Sure. Let's see this push mower. I'll put a little bit of gas in it. It has a spark plug, so. Alright, we got a little bit of gas in there. The lid wouldn't go in there. Alright, so we got oil, we got gas. We're gonna fill that bowl up. I'm gonna pull my rope up so I handle more. I got this thing gonna start. So, I'm gonna get a couple 10-bar issue on. And a couple pulls. Well, this feels a bit easy to pull over. A bit too easy, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the spark plug actually. Spark plug's way too small. So I'm gonna go get another spark plug and we'll come back. Well, I haven't fixed the compressor problem yet. But we're just gonna keep pulling it and see if it fires. If not, I'll throw a little bit of gas down the carburetor. And then see what she'll do. Alright, so it's not doing anything. And I'm not pulling forever, so let's see what we can do here. I found the original spark plug. Let's see if this thing's wet first. Spark plug. Indeed, it is wet. So we're just not be getting spark. Don't know. Just don't know. You got her in there? Let's see what she do. I just got rid of something. Let's try this again. Alright, so that's 3 pulls. You think it would fire, but it didn't. So crap, I don't got nothing to put this in there. Alright, so I had this. I got a gas can. I don't know if you can see it. Gas can, a little cap. I'm gonna dip the spark plug in it. A little bit of 2-stroke, so I got a little bit of 2-stroke in here. It's 51 or anything. I'll pull the spark plug out. Don't put too much. Hey, see what she'll do. Put this over here. Let's see. So I'm just gonna say forget it. But you could actually, if you do, so we'll do a first place to drive this tractor. Actually, I gotta start it up real quick so I can move it. So I'm gonna head record this. Yeah, that's annoying. So we got the key here. Key in. Okay, so this is my tractor when it's in 6th gear and hold on, our red one. Spring and summer and fall and all that. But and winter. But yeah, so that's the end of this video, guys. I'll talk to you later.